Hello, everyone. Today I'll show you how to use Wrike for freelancers step by step in 2026. Ah, Wrike is perfect for freelancers to stay organized, meet deadlines, and manage multiple clients efficiently. First, create a workspace or project for each client. Keeping client work separate makes management easier. Label projects clearly with client names. Next, create tasks and subtasks. Break down client work into manageable steps. Small tasks make progress visible and deadlines easier to hit. Now assign tasks to yourself or collaborators. Even solo freelancers can benefit from assigning tasks to track progress. If you work with partners, clear ownership prevents confusion. After that, set due dates and priorities. Add start and end dates for each task. Priorities ensure urgent client work is done first. Next, use folders and tags. Organize tasks by type of work, client, or project phase. This keeps your workspace clean and searchable. Then track time and effort. Note how long tasks take. This helps plan future projects and manage client expectations. Now use comments and file attachments. Keep all communication and files in one place. This reduces scattered emails and lost documents. After that, switch to timeline or board view. Visualize deadlines and progress. This helps prevent missed deadlines and overlapping work. Next, review progress regularly. Update task status and check your dashboards. This ensures you stay on top of multiple projects. Finally, adjust tasks as needed. If deadlines shift or priorities change, update your tasks immediately. Flexibility is key for freelancers. So yeah, using Wrike for freelancers means organizing client projects, breaking work into tasks, setting deadlines, tracking progress, attaching files, and staying flexible. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for listening, stay productive, and I'll see you in the next guide.